Yeah, it's already 2 years now. Would you like to share your experience and your journey of the SMART FUE procedure?
Yes, so I'm mixed. I'm Malaysian and Kenyan. My father is Chinese, my mother is Kenyan. I'm 10 years old now, and all my life I've been sort of insecure of my high forehead. I had a very high hairline, and so I met with Dr. Jas in 2020 regarding this issue, and he consulted my way through it, to the issue. It was a very smooth process, very easy. It's been 2 years now, and I'm so satisfied with my results. I have curly hair, as you can see, but it's natural, the process, the result, and everything, and I'm so happy. So as you can see over here, all of this is transplanted hair. Everything over here, this is all 2 cm down from my original hairline. And the texture of the hair is also the same as the rest of my head. That is very important, especially since I have curly hair. That was one of my main concerns. And it turned out beautifully, if you ask me. I'm very happy with the results, and I could never be happier.